Protein shakers in 2025 aren't just bottles with a ball inside. They're insulated, odor-proof, dual-chambered, and built to survive gym bags, road trips, and your forgetfulness. From stainless steel tanks to lightweight classics, here are the best protein shakers that actually deliver. BlenderBottle Sport Insulated, the everyday athlete's go-to. This one's built like a tank, but feels sleek in hand. The double-wall stainless steel keeps drinks cold for hours, and the wire whisk still delivers that classic blender bottle smoothness. The lockable lid is leak-proof. We tossed it in a gym bag and didn't lose a drop. What stood out? It's the perfect balance of insulation, grip, and no-nonsense mixing. Pro tip: check the description for bundle deals. We've seen it paired with extra lids or whisks. BlenderBottle Radian, the premium pick with a twist. The Radian steps it up with a twist-on cap, sleek design, and vacuum insulation that kept our shake cold for nearly 24 hours. It's a bit taller than the Sport, but the build quality is top tier. What stood out? The twist cap feels more secure than flip tops, and the insulation is no joke. Pro tip: if you want a bottle that looks as good as it performs, this one's worth the upgrade. Ice Shaker, the cold for days contender. This one's a beast. It kept our drinks cold for over 30 hours thanks to its double-wall vacuum insulation. The twist-on agitator is built into the lid, no ball whisk needed, and it's odor-resistant, which is a blessing if you forget to rinse it out. What stood out? It's the only one that didn't smell funky after a week of use. Pro tip: great for protein, smoothies, or even cocktails. Check the description for color options and deal. BlenderBottle Pro Series, the lightweight classic. If you don't need insulation but want reliable mixing, this is your guy. It's made of BPA-free Triton plastic, has a rounded base for better mixing, and the Pro lid is solid. We used it for pre-workout and post-run shakes. It's light, durable, and dishwasher safe. What stood out? It's the best plastic shaker we tested. No leaks, no clumps, no fuss. Pro tip: check the description for multi-pack discounts if you want a few for rotation. Hydra Cup Dual Shaker, the meal prep MVP. This one's wild, in a good way. Each bottle has 2 separate compartments, so you can carry pre-workout and post-workout in one shaker. It comes with ball whisks, built-in handles, and extra storage for powders or pills. What stood out? It's perfect for travel, gym bags, or anyone juggling multiple supplements. Pro tip: check the description for the 4-pack deal. It's a steal for the versatility you get. So whether you're blending pre-workouts, sipping smoothies, or just trying to avoid that dreaded protein stink, these shakers have your back. Check the description for links, bundles, and the best prices we could find. Hit like if your shaker game just got an upgrade, and subscribe for more no-fluff fitness gear reviews. Got a favorite bottle or a protein mix you swear by? Drop it in the comments. We're always down to shake things up.